Welcome to your horoscope. Now in the Middle East and European people in English, you can know the benefits, edify, occult sciences and report of today's work and the goods for the work and the goods of the task. All of these you can know from your horoscope. You can contact for any problem through phone in the your horoscope. So come to program 4 September to 10th September. You can know your weekly updates. Aries. This week you will get good response to work and educational activities and work according to their wishes, but can take care of health and keep training to some time in a gym. Keep maintain fitness, keep eye on your employee and pay their dues on time. Make the work of machinery. The good strategies can get high benefits. Girls and boys discuss in limit. Laziness will be adverse. Hard work will give better livelihood. Love matters will be normal. Taurus. It can benefit from a good journey and the relationship will be successful. You will get successful business, but you have good news in business. But you are weak our own capabilities, but keeping your skills and keeping intention is not a successful reason. While trying to improve your interest in work, try to improve your employment and help you can success in the abroad needed hard work to complete the wishes. The help of Allah is close to you. Gemini. Your decision will be successful. Your negligence, enhancement problems, formal business will give you benefit. Whereas the conditions will be serious in the house. Whereas the condition will be serious, but you will have to bring positive aspect in your thinking, which is very important to negotiate because the infortune is coming to you, which is the reason of determinant in the business. Hope is resembling being done by marrying or getting job in abroad. Cancer. In the formal business, the polytheist can harm you and change mindset and consult with anyone and will get new jobs. The development of business and work newly. Leo. You get good news about education, chances to get help from abroad and agreement is possible. Keep the environment peaceful in the home so that you feel fit mentally. Work hard and to leave the neutral in the unnecessary task, just work hard. Virgo. See what you are working for a problem, trying to do it. Seeing success will be successful. Keeping your mood and behavior during that time point to a great success. Some people can also help with relief and rewards to make appropriate action to extension. Libra. Income from unexpected sources. People who are participating in sports will be successful. The people are to be abroad or before going to abroad will work hard. Your work can abeyance each and everything keeping your notice. Scorpio, wishing others will be on a weak position. You will work better on your business. If you want to take better results, the desired travel are expected to improve the home environment. Some people can get money from the help of the primary scheme or a friend. Sagittarius, some possibilities will enter to your mind which disturb your mind and health. Business matters will be slow and will have to travel in matters of relatives and siblings and accelerate their efforts for the job. Capricorn, some of your business issues will be important which help you fulfill stop work. You will be see your tracking work fulfilled. The loan will be beneficial to take from any bank or a camera. Some decisions will be important in life. Aquarius, you are in a small way to make money from easy sources, but do not investment in this loss. You have to be careful of the family. You have to be careful in these cases. The professional people decide to take the right decision so that your financial matter can improve. Leave negligence, work hard will enhance your livelihood. Pisces, your expenses are already out of the context. There is no space, but you are paying little bit attention to it. Thus you will be able to bring away your achievements. It is necessary to bring show all the extension in the business. The time will come not supportive you, except the profession person. Goodbye.